Hello, it's Nikolai talking. The first picture shows that you live a luxurious life and you want to show your followers the perfect life that you are living. The reality is, the real life that you are living shows that the world is not it shows the world that the world is not as perfect as it appears. You only show the part of your life to the social media that you want to show. Our first example is a picture of a brunch, and the caption to an Instagram photo could be just woke up to this, but in reality, you just had a bowl of cereal for breakfast.
Okay, Anthony is speaking. Again, it's the same concept. Again, a person will try to act like he or she is living the perfect life, but in reality, they are not. And it like really shows how far a person will go to get a better social status. Like here is the example where a Asian guy just standing in front of a Bugatti Veyron, and it's like $5 million, but in reality, the car that they have is like a Kia Picanto. It's like $5 or $10,000, and it's like really shows how far you will go to like show your followers that you're living the perfect life, but in reality you're not.